Hello everyone, welcome to Code Speaks. In our previous video, we have seen that how to install MySQL Workbench in our local systems. Now we will perform some activities in MySQL Workbench. To perform any activities in MySQL Workbench, first of all, we have to have some databases in our MySQL Workbenches. To create some databases in MySQL Server, first of all, we have to go to the MySQL Workbench. Click on that MySQL Workbench, then it will direct us to the MySQL Workbench user interfaces. Click on these MySQL connections over here. After clicking on that, you will get a different windows like it will ask you to provide username and password over there. Please give your username and password over there, and please save your username and password in a preferred location so that you can access your MySQL Workbench at any point of time. Okay, let's create some this is how user interfaces of MySQL Workbench looks like. Here we are performing some queries. To perform any query, we have to perform in these preferred area only. To create a database, we have a query over here. We have to use create database. And provide a name of your wish. In this case, I am providing my name. So this is the query to create a databases. The meaning of this query is create database with name of Naveen, and here we are giving semicolon over here. The semicolon means that is the end of the statement or the end of the query. So select this query and just run on this. So here it shows that we are successfully executed here and database have been created. So to see how many databases are available in our MySQL Workbench, we have another query, show databases, and give semicolon here. Just select the entire thing and just run on this. So in this way, we are going to perform the two activities like creating databases and show databases. So we have a number of databases in MySQL servers, and we have created Naveen databases over here. In this way, we can create databases in MySQL servers, and we can also know how many databases are available in our MySQL workbenches. This is how we can create databases in MySQL Workbench. In next video, we'll see the another topic. Till that, take care and bye bye.